Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making smoked salmon pie. Now this dish is very sacred to me. Mom always used to make this as a quick lunch for us growing up. Smoked fish is a huge part of Russian cuisine, so I was jonesing for a little taste of home. The recipe and the links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. Remember, we do have a cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, available on Amazon and as an ebook. If you don't already know, we do have a Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. Please join. It's a beautiful community. And also subscribe to the Little House of Beans. Smoosh that like button, hit that notification bell. You'll do this channel a huge favor if you do so. Let me bring you weekly recipes. Now let's get ready to cook this delicious smoked salmon pie. Let's cook! This is my attempt of a little fish I cut out of the dough. Unsure how it's going to bake, but there it is.